हेलो बॉलीवुड लाइफ व्यूअर्स, आई एम संस्कृति योर होस्ट। पति पत्नी और पंगा जल्द ही शुरू होने वाला है एंड आई हैव विथ मी द वेरी गॉर्जियस रुबीना दिलेक एंड द हैंडसम हंग अभिनव शुक्ला। वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड लाइव।
धन्यवाद जी, धन्यवाद।
So, firstly, this show is a new concept, and what through this show, you want to explore about your relationship.
I think the beauty of a relationship is finding new things every single day. नहीं तो फिर बहुत stagnation हो जाएगी. So, with this, I want to have the fear of unknown, the fear of knowing him every single day.
Fear of knowing him. Fear of knowing him.
Fear of unknown.
Sure.
And the joy of knowing him. Okay.
Yeah,
So
better like that.
yeah, better like that. So जो हम अपने लिए जान पाएंगे वो हमारी ऑडियंस भी हम दोनों के बारे में जान पाएगी. How about you?
See, मेरे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है पंगे लेने की हंसते हंसते, जिस पे सब हंसें. Nobody gets serious.
तो ये होगा You're not beautiful. अरे मैंने तो ऐसी मजाक कर दिया था.
ये तो मैं कभी नहीं बोलूँगा.
नहीं, ये बोल ही नहीं सकते.
बिल्कुल नहीं बोल सकता.
हाँ, तारीफ नहीं
झूठ
करते
नहीं
वो
बोल
बात अलग है.
सकते.
तारीफ नहीं करते वो बात अलग है, पर ठीक है.
तो दिख रहा है उन क्या?
क्या?
तारीफ
तारीफ?
करने की जरूरत नहीं है उन्हें.
Yeah, she got it.
No, she got an interview, not the
No,
truth.
no. You can see, the way
Yeah.
he has always been. I mean, even in all the shows.
Yesterday only I told her in the afternoon.
नहीं, तारीफ होती है.
Yeah, होती है.
तो जैसे आपने कहा पंगा लेने का आपको चांस मिला है, तो ऐसे अगर रियल लाइफ में पंगे होते हैं तो हु इज द फर्स्ट वन हु इज गोइंग टू से सॉरी?
Me. Hands
She.
down, of course. गलती किसी की भी हो, मैं सबसे पहले सॉरी मैं बोलती हूँ.
Okay. Also, what is that one romantic thing or one emotional, it's a heart touching thing that you both have done for each other and you will always remember that?
He, before proposing me, he had gone and spoken to my parents first. I believe that is the most heartwarming thing that a man can do for his wife to be. The second is when he proposed that I am ready to become a father.
Well, the most romantic thing was our wedding. She had planned it. Matlab, it was like you watching a fairy movie right in front of your eyes, and it was all her hard work because मुझे बोलते तो चल यार let's do this and let's go home, but she made it an event. So I think that was
Pictures
biggest
of
event. Yeah.
Still.
अरे कौन से रंग का पर्दा आएगा, वो क्या डालेगा, वहाँ पे लाइट क्यों लगेगी, इधर कौन आएगा, इतने बजे ये शुरू होगा. Oh man, she was fab. I couldn't have done it.
I was a bride/event manager.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And even now also,
Thank you.
ये भी आउटफिट्स आप दोनों ने डिसाइड किए या वाज इट रूबीना ओनली?
So they wanted to recreate my bridal
Yeah.
look, and जब मैंने अपनी शादी का लहंगा चूज़ किया था, आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर कि मुझे आइवरी वाइट ही चाहिए बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड अ डे वेडिंग. एंड एज ही सेट, मैंने सब कुछ विजुअलाइज किया था कि हमारी शादी कैसी होगी. मैं यहाँ तैयार हो रही हूँ और मैं फ़ोन पे कोऑर्डिनेट कर रही हूँ. ये फूल आ गए, ये साफ़ा आ गया, कपड़ा आ गया, ये आ गया. आई वॉज, आई थिंक, द बिजिएस्ट ब्राइड, बट आई एम द हैप्पीएस्ट व्हेन आई लुक बैक एंड आई सी, ओ वाओ, इट टर्न्ड आउट वेरी वेल.
Also, apart from being the pati and patni, you both have become parents, and this journey is also not easy for both, for a single person.
Hmm.
So, how was the support, and what is that one thing, Rubina, that made you think, matlab, this is the moment, and we are ready? And what about Abhinav that made you confident कि yes, that this is the right time?
As I mentioned, he was the first one to propose the idea that I'm ready to become a father. And I said, I'm not ready. I need few years because I still believe that there are so many dreams that I want to achieve. And he had no hesitation saying that, Rubina, you take your time. And that was the moment I decided, if this man is so committed and is so clear, I think I will take the responsibility of becoming a mother very happily. So he made that decision easy for me.
Yeah.
I was like, let me know when to fertilize. but jokes apart, yeah, I also took time to decide when I want to be a father, and then of course it's her life. She is very career driven, and she was doing really well at that time. So I didn't want कि यार वो जो एक momentum शुरू है वो टूट जाए. So I said, whenever you're ready, I'm good. And I think the best decision was
Yeah.
that and of Ida and Jiva, like भगवान आ गए खुद.
Too cute to see them, and I love the way you both have been raising them, you know, away from so many things, and it's
Yeah.
actually a best decision ever.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a difficult one, but
Yeah.
yes, best for them.
Yeah, but and also you have made pregnancy much easier with your show.
Yes.
Thank you for that. So, and all the best for
Thank you so
Pati
much.
Patni and Panga, and
Thank you.
I hope to see you both
Very
on
soon.
screen for
Very soon.
some other show also.
Very soon.
Yep.
You know, एक love story कर लो.
Love story.
मतलब
Okay. आपका suggestion हम जरूर.
Well, the fiction doesn't see me as a very romantic, lovable, hero. So.
ठीक है ना, विलन देख लिया अभी हो. रुबीना के साथ तो रोमांटिक ही लगेगा.
नहीं, ये मेरे साथ ऑन स्क्रीन रोमांस करने में बड़े हिचकिचाते हैं. हमने एक गाना किया था वेयर वी हैड अ नाइस स्टीमी वो लव मेकिंग सीन एंड ही वाज लाइक, मैंने कहा खुद की बीवी है यार, इट्स ओके.
No, that happens.
Okay. Yeah. So I was like, you should be more comfortable with me. He's like, no. So he was, वो ऐसा मेरा ऑफ शोल्डर स्वेटर था, वो हमने जो गाना किया, he was time and again putting it up. मैंने कहा, your wife, it's okay, I am comfortable. He was still very.
It happens. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I'm sure this is going to be fun.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
going to be fun.
It is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.